Hey everyone, what's up? This is Dave the Cartoonist, and today we're going to be going over how to draw in perspective. So if you do enjoy, be sure to like, share, and follow for more. Just thought I'd come outside today since it is very gorgeous, but also starting to get pretty cold. So I'm about to head it back inside. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm pretty sure most of you guys know what perspective is already, but for those of you who might not know or just need a quick refresher, perspective in simplest terms, or how I put it, determines where in space your object is positioned and where you or other viewers are viewing from, or your area of focus. But how do we use perspective? Or rather, how do we create that area of focus for our viewers and ourselves? Let's take a look at this picture. In this picture, the artist uses a couple elements to make us, the viewers, seem as if we're viewing the train car head on. If we break this down, you can see we have the horizon line, which shows our level of view, and the vanishing point, the point at which we can no longer see. Together, if we were to draw some additional grid lines here, you can see how the lines converge at the vanishing point on the horizon line. This then sets it up beautifully for all the other objects in the car to be scaled proportionally, giving us that illusion of seeing the train car head on. There are many different types of perspectives out there. For example, there's one-point perspective, like the image we just saw earlier, which uses one vanishing point. But if we were to increase the amount of vanishing points to say 2 or 3, you have 2-point and 3-point perspective, and so on. Some perspectives are also non-linear or don't always go with straight lines. Some perspectives can be curved, like in a curvilinear or fisheye perspective, where the perspective warps in almost a spherical way. The rules are still the same, but the vanishing points are at the ends of the grids, and the connecting lines are now curved, sort of like a hemisphere on a globe. Some perspectives don't even have a vanishing point, like in an isometric perspective. You can often see this perspective in video games or in art patterns like these ones. No matter what perspective you use, the most important thing to consider is where you want the viewer to focus. Different perspectives provide information about what's going on in your artwork and communicate different ideas. A quick exercise to practice perspective can be to take an image or a piece of artwork that you've created and try putting it in a different perspective. You can use a perspective grid to use as a guide to help you, but take as much time as you need to on this. You can challenge yourself to do more than one image or pieces of artwork. And if you do, try and do it in a perspective that you're not really comfortable with. These were my results. But that's going to wrap up today's video. If you enjoyed, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments if there's anything you found interesting about the video, something that I might have forgotten, or just some video ideas of what I should do next. As always, you can always follow me on my social media accounts. That'll be at the end of this video. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.